G'day guys, we're back in the shed, and in this video we're going to be putting this on them. So check this out. Alright guys, so to do this job you're going to need first of all exhaust wrap. So this is the one I went with, so I'll get this to focus. So this is different from your normal exhaust wrap that everyone else seems to use. This stuff is titanium. So we'll get that to focus. Fancy. But the only drama with this stuff is it frays pretty easily. So we're going to have to be careful with that. So this stuff, not being fiberglass, you don't have to worry about wearing gloves. You can handle this stuff and no need to soak it in water, so that's a plus. So tool wise, I'll show you what you need. So righto, so with regards to tools, very simple. All you need is a ratchet, a 13mm socket and an extension. So that's going to make life easy for you. You need a 13mm spanner. I've got a gear drive one here, so that'll make life easy. And also guys, don't forget your gaskets. And you're going to need yourself a cold beer, maybe 10. We'll see how we go. Alright, so step one is remove the pipes. So you need to get in there. And you've got two bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. So that's where your extension's going to come in handy. If you got a crash bar, maybe get a smaller extension. So we'll do the back one as well, same process. Now another thing, you're going to have O2 sensors. So on Dynas I believe it's under the seat. So usually that'd be a pain in the ass because I've already got the bike up on the lift, but if you didn't notice the suspension, check this out. Bike goes down. So that just unplugs like that. I'm just pulling through. We'll unplug that one in a minute. We'll get these back bolts here off. Very important step here guys, once you get the first one out, you need to go and get a beer. Righto, now that one should just come out. Ta-da! We did one, you beauty. And we just got to unplug this bad boy from around the other side. Can you see that thing in there? That's it. So it's behind that stupid little plastic cover guys, so we'll just get a screwdriver and that should make life a bit easier. We got him, you beauty! And that was way harder than it should have been. So step number 4, whatever, have another beer. You still have to unbolt another 2 from down the back. Whenever I take bolts out, I just put them straight back in the holes so I don't lose them. And just like that, front pipe's off. Alright. So I'm going to wrap from the end or the tip up to the top for a few reasons. I want to be able to make this bit as neat as possible because that's that's the end you're gonna see, you know, because this is all hidden up the top, so who cares? Secondly, if you wrap from the bottom going upwards, I think you're gonna be less likely to get debris and rocks and shit and mud and all that stuck in between the wraps. And that's the only reasons I got. So let's do it. Now, the wrapping process would be a lot easier if I had a vise, but I don't. I've broken it, so I might have to get another vise and mount it to the bar. But well, we'll struggle through. Alright, so now I just have to find that really good hiding spot where I'll put those stainless steel cable ties. So give me a minute, I'll be back.
Later that same evening.
Alright, well that only took about 15 years to do, but we've cut the holes here so you can get to the bolts, and that's all we got to do. So we've done that one, we're just going to do the same to the second one, and then we'll chuck them back on. Well, there you go, guys. Pipes are on. Just got to plug the O2 sensors back in and we are finished. What do you reckon? Do you like the look of it? I'm a little bit undecided yet. I think I'll wait until I see it out in the sun and like on the ground, not on the lift, and with everything put back on. But we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't leak or anything. I'll put the new gaskets in. Sorry I didn't show you that, I forgot. I was having a drinks break and the footy was on, so I was just tinkering around because, you know, copyrights and all that stuff. So it's all nipped up. We'll chuck the O2 sensors back in, but it's just plug and play, so I'm sure you guys don't need me to show you how to do that, but that's pretty much the finished result. I'll chuck the seat back on just so you can see what it's going to look like. But yeah, leave what you reckon in the comments. If you like it or you hate it, let me know. Would you do it to your bike, or do you think it's stupid? You know, let me know. I've got thick skin, I can handle it. Another thing I did want to show you guys. Now this is a little bag of prezzies that I've bought. Now what these are for my patrons. So if you didn't know, I've got a Patreon, but I call my patrons the war pigs. So I got you a little present. Is that going to focus? Yep, there you go. So little skid pigs you can put on your key ring or whatever. If you're a girl, you can have it as a bracelet or earring or something like that. So I'll be sending you a message on Patreon, but just got them in the mail today, so I was pretty pumped about that. Cool, so that's the end. Oh, hang on. Well, there you go, guys. That's what it looks like with the seat on and everything. So, we'll see. Looks different anyway, but this bike does look different. Don't see many wild glides look like this baby. But there you go. I don't know. I'm undecided. I was looking at the screen, sorry guys. But anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to have a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. Always have a cold beer. Like this one I prepared earlier. Or those other 10 in the bin. But anyway, talking shit now. I've had a few beers. Got to put the footy back on, and I'll catch you guys later, eh? See ya!